Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, we are going to use this plugin zip code based product price for WooCommerce. So we can copy this name and we will have to go to plugins. We will click on add new. Using this plugin, we will be able to see the product prices according to the zip code. So user will enter the zip code and then we'll see the product prices based on that zip code. So here we have entered the plugin name. So here is the plugin by Ripon Hussain. Here you can see the name. So we can install it and we will activate. And now let's go to products. Here you can see I have some products. We can open them. Scroll down, open this, enable the paste pricing and enter the product price here. Zip code, enter here regular price for this location. So for normal it is 63. For this location I want to set it like 44 maybe. And now let's update the product. Now go to the store. So here you can see the pricings are not showing and here it's showing please set your location to see prices. So set the location. Here select the country and then select the enter the zip code, click on submit and here you can see $44. It is showing the price and here you can see your country is Pakistan and zip code is 44,000. So that's how you can set it up. You can also change the design of this using CSS. And also when you will go to the dashboard, here you can go to plugins and scroll, go to settings. Here you can open this close button so user will be able to close it, and some other settings are available here as well. Show immediately in a pop-up, you can make it as well. And now let's click on save, go to website, click on refresh. So clear the location and here you can see when you will go to the product page it will show like that and user has to enter the zip code and then they will see the price. So I have entered the wrong location. When I set it to Pakistan, then it will show the correct pricing. So that's it for this video, and that's how you can use the zip code product pricing in WordPress WooCommerce. If you need any help with Shopify or WordPress, do let me know. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. Like this video, leave your comments with your suggestions and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.